Hey, good evening. Once again, this is the Upnlive show here live each and every Tuesday on TGM Radio. I'm here for myself, DJ Rick, Dragon Asa, Fire Q, Local Brown Ross, where my entertainment. We call this the Upnlive show. And we're there with the general inside the building, you know, the young general there. Sparky is here. Good evening. Not even a whole heap of extra excitement. Sparky there, general. How you mean? Welcome to the show, sir.
Good evening, Rick.
Of course, manners. And you know what?
Yeah.
I have to big you up because you are. We give you time and you reach out before the time.
Yeah, thank you, Rick. Big up yourself, man.
So I like the punctuality.
You know the levels, fam, from early. Rick.
Of course.
Yeah.
Respect.
Yeah.
So people, if you don't know who Sparky is, he's a prominent promoter now. But before then, he's a prominent DJ as well. Heart Love Radio. He's been there for years. One of my compatriots. We on the same station for years, doing lots of parties together with the whole Big Yard team. So it's a pleasure to have you a part of our new team now. So give thanks, right?
No, give thanks, Rick. And it's a pleasure to be here as well, Rick.
Of course. Respect. So let's start it this way.
Yeah.
Just introduce yourself for me. Tell us a little bit about Sparks.
All right. I am Sparks. I'm a DJ, but I'll also consider myself to be a musician
Yes.
because I play instruments. I play the drums and the piano. Also, I play a bit of guitar as well.
Okay.
Also, I'm a father of four boys.
4 boys.
Yeah, 4 of them. So you don't know the levels. So yeah, I'm a father of 4. Got a brother. I've got 2 sisters. Got 1 niece. One of the nieces here. I got another niece. She lives in Nottingham. Got a nephew.
See, man's been out. Big family.
Big family, man.
Good bit. So you are formerly known as DJ Sparks, right?
Yeah.
How did you get that name?
You know what, Rick? In year, I think it was grade 7. I had a friend called Spooks.
Yeah.
In year 7, and I don't know if I can say this because my mom's locked in still. But
Mommy, we
Yeah.
get a 1/2, mommy. Just sign out a little bit, mommy. Give us
no,
30
she can
seconds.
stay still. I'm not gonna lie, 'cause she knows really in her real life. But listen, in year 7,
Yeah.
I had a little fight with one of my friends. You could say that. And back in the day, when you used to knock someone out, you used to say, "Bloody sparked him," or
Yeah.
"Blood, that brother they got sparked up."
Yeah.
So man just carried the name from Sparks. This was in year 7, so I was about 11. I didn't even really see it as DJ Sparks, but as I got older, I started to play in the community, play in the ends. Obviously, my dad's a DJ, so he showed me a couple of ropes to this DJ thing. And then people just started saying, "Nah, DJ Sparks, DJ Sparks." Run with that name there, and I just kept it all the way till now, Rick.
Of course. We see it. And for you doing the music, and
Yeah.
obviously you're doing promotion now.
Yeah,
But then coming into the DJ game, obviously your dad's a DJ.
yeah.
Big up to Daddy Leroy,
Yeah.
King Studio Sound.
Father Leroy, King Studio. Big
Yes.
up yourself.
That's the same sound you're amongst, right?
Yeah,
So going watching your father getting prepared for the weekends as a youth,
yeah,
as a sound youth.
Yeah.
Because me's a sound youth as
yeah,
well.
yeah.
What was the joy that got you into say, listen, I have to join into the local something. I like what's going on. What was your edge to say, all right, I need to get involved?
You know where it was? When I was about 12, my dad brought me to UK Cup Clash. I think Squingy was there, Tony Matteron,
Yeah.
Mighty Crown. There was an Italian song called One Love.
Yeah, I know that song.
And Ninja Man was hosting it.
So
I seen the video.
that was I think 2012. 2011.
No, it was-
2011 or 2009 clash.
No, 2005.
When Ninja Man did have on the little
The
the Luciano
round-
Arch, yeah.
Yeah, 2005.
Bad
UK
clash
Cup
still, bad clash.
Yeah. So I went there, I was 12, I remember. My dad brought me there. My mom didn't even know, because my mom's a Christian as well.
Yeah, you know you have to answer for this with the
Yeah.
crowd.
No, I can talk these things now, because I'm a
Yeah.
big man with pick me and all them things there. But my dad used to bring me there. My mom weren't even happy with my dad bringing me there, but my dad was like, "Yeah, come to you, same way, man. I got strapped for the Rex."
Yeah.
Boom. Yeah. Boom. Man, I was like, "Yeah, come there." My mom used to cuss, but that's it, innit? It's just, and then that was it. I was like, nah.
That's a go on.
What? How did my man speak. I used to ask my dad, how did a Japanese man speak like that?
Yeah.
And my dad used to just tell me, like, the music is just a oneness. Like, it doesn't matter where you're from. Like, from you got it in you, you can just do it. From you're born with the talent, just keep going. And I was like, when I was about 13, 14, 15, 16, I didn't even really take music seriously. And then when I reached like 17, my dad was like, no, you're bad, you know?
Yeah.
Like, from before that, it was bringing me radio. But when I was like 17, 18, I was like, let me run with it and see what's going on. I started doing a couple house parties. And then it just built from there, Rick. I remember that song Cranium built. Everybody Has a Dream. I think buy where you want to buy.
Yeah.
And that was when I first got the Everybody Has a Dream, and then I just went from there.
Yeah, because I realized that you started to doing you like that type of juggling, because I know you as a person like that farmer.
The real juggling.
Streets juggling. There.
Yeah.
Your aspect of the music stems deeply within, say, the dancehall street party side.
Yeah.
Obviously, you're growing up here in the UK.
Yeah.
You've seen the club side. Obviously, you've seen different sides.
Yeah.
But you are more drawn to the streets. Why is that?
You know what? Growing up back in the day, I used to just, like, my dad used to bring me to my grandma's house. My mum used to bring me to my granny's house. So it was just always like, my nan would be playing like Dennis Brown, Barris, like Capleton, Sizzler. Like, my dad would just be playing them tune there. My mumsy was listening to the Celine Dion's, and like my granddad, he was listening to all the reggae, and I weren't really brought up on no pop or like, it was just bare like reggae, roots, culture, dancehall, old school dancehall.
And you just stayed there.
I just stayed there.
Because
I'm not gonna lie, I love the hip hop. I love the UK hip hop and the American hip hop. That grabs me as well. But when it comes to the dancehall and the reggae and that's just the root. It's just
for me,
comes from the root.
What I respect about you, like, you are from UK, don't fake a Jamaican accent.
Yeah.
You don't try it.
Yeah.
But when you come on to the dancehall scene, you're hardcore, you're raw, you're out there.
You know what it is? Any type of music that you're playing, you have to adapt to that culture. Yeah. So when you're playing dancehall, you have to adapt to the dancehall culture. When you're playing Afro beats, you have to adapt to the Afro beats culture. When you're playing hip hop, you have to adapt to the hip hop culture. When you're playing UK hip hop, you have to adapt to the hip hop. When you're playing funky, you have to adapt to the funky style, the grime.
What you say is your strong suit? What's your best genre where you can play? Because to me, I think you can play dancehall better than even UK hip hop or whatever.
Yeah,
that's 100%. To me. What do you think?
100%. I play the dancehall better than the UK hip hop, but the UK hip hop, I think, like, nowadays it's just too much guns and violence. I don't want to promote that, and I don't want to, like, the drill. I don't want to go to a certain end because it's political. Like, when you take it deeper than the music, certain men are from certain ends and certain men are from certain ends. So you can't play that song in this ends and you can't play that song in this ends. That's why I really keep away from the drill and the hip hop when I'm in the ends.
Okay.
Because of the certain stuff that go on. And
you know the connection with it.
Yeah, I know
Education
the connection.
class, Rick.
So you kind of have to, like, just stay with the dancehall, stay with the American hip hop, go into the certain commercial UK bangers, but don't go too deep into the, like, not saying that you can't play certain songs, but you have to know what you're playing at a certain time in a certain area.
So it's a bit different when you go deep inside the culture, like, just like I'm predominantly a dancehall DJ. Like, when I go to Jamaica, I know, like, certain song I don't play in certain
areas
because the type of violence way stemmed off to and whatever.
Yeah.
So I'm not too into the UK hip hop because nowadays hip hop to be exact.
Yeah.
Because I think hip hop changed from like 2013 to something that is not what I grew up on. So I'm not too much a fan of it. When I get a big song every now and then, I really love it. But I have to play it if I gotta play it. But I'm not a fan of it no more.
Yeah, no, I hear what you mean. You know what it is? You know what I like about the UK scene now? Everyone is just doing their thing. They're doing their thing proper with the UK hip hop. Their men are going hard. Like, back in the day, they weren't getting recognized as much.
Yeah, I'm proud of them.
they're getting recognized now. Like the Americans are trying to come over to England to do songs with the English artists.
I will have a big up Drake for that.
Yeah.
Because Drake is one of the main man that you know, come over here and make some man know, yo, broski and Riri.
Yeah, that brought the Americans there. And even you have to big up Popcorn in the dancehall area. Of course, man. Because he brought the dancehall area over to the UK as well.
Into a different realm, because people always know dancehall like as a underground music. No, when Popcorn bring it here and bring it the business side to the table and like, yo, it's not this way. We are look some collab with him.
And also like you can't forget like the Afro beats like the Vido, Burna Boy. Them man brought the Afro beats to the UK like and made it. Wizkid. Yeah,
all of them come
all of them, you know what I'm saying?
We have a big up all of them. They ask them where you know our diaspora like the Popcorn, the Burna Boys, even though they're not Jamaican, but they are influenced by our music. So I consider them as kind of dancehallers, to be honest.
Yeah.
The Burna Boy, the Wizkid, the Shatta Wale, because all of them, if you ask them why inspirations, we sing your song and make you start be artists, and they're going to tell us some dancehall artists.
And you know what also I've recognized? I've got a couple DJ colleagues that go in, that leave like the route, the streets, and they go to the city. And when they reach to the city, they're always like, it's not the same.
Yeah.
Like
rude awakening. Yeah.
It's mad. Like the way they want to come back to, and it's not saying like it's not a good thing what they're doing out there. It's a good thing what they're doing out there, but they're always gonna want that route back
to come back home. Yeah.
They're
gonna want that. Nowhere like home.
There's 100%.
I have like the exact feeling what you're saying, because like you know sometimes like the week in week out gig, like every time I do it, like sometimes you tend to want to go hard, like play what you love and what you like, because I'm still up to date with all I dancehall songs them more than the DJ them where I play every day night dancehall party over here. But what you call it, at some point in your career you have to think and say like the sensible choice and say whether you want to be a full-time dancehall DJ and take on the dancehall business in the UK as how it's going, because dancehall is not going down the right path. And there's nobody lobbying for it inside the UK. What do you think about that?
No.
Because it's no fraternity. There's
like no support.
There's no support.
One person talking over there say, oh, well, let's do this. Then somebody else say, oh, Sparks, them good and them rich and them I keep church on Friday.
Yeah.
And then you have another man that say, oh, them boy, they're good enough, but we're not coming together as a unit.
Yeah, 100%.
One voice.
And I've seen that. And it's only like people of our color that are really like this. There's no other race that you see really grab down people, like grabbing a barrel kind of thing, bro. You never see that with other races. It's like, I don't understand, bro. I'll never understand. But what if like, it's like you have to have, if you have the good ones, bro, you just have to keep rolling with the good ones and just
and hopefully
keep going.
Something will rub off onto the others. 100%. For those of you that are on Facebook, tell your friend them Sparks is in the studio. He's been crazy, man. He's been sharing a lot of details with us. One question we want to ask you: how did you get into the promoting aspect of things? So you've been a DJ, you're in tune with being a musician. How did you get into the promotions, into promoting dancehall parties?
Okay, so when that Cranium song came out, Everybody Has a Dream. I just loved that song to the fullest. Like that was my song back then. Like when I heard that one, it just was like and then I was having a couple house parties before, but the houses was getting packed, so I was like, no, I need to take this thing a bit further. So I had Everybody Has a Dream Part 1.
Okay.
It was in Leighton in
over the part there.
Yeah, that part there around there. So so obviously man, I had it there. And then it was nice. And then I went on having Part 2. It was in Hornsey. And then Part 3, 2012. I think it was. I went Selena's Lane. For 3 years, I had Selena's Lane up to Part 6. And then this year coming up is Part 7. So it's like when I started doing Part 1, Part 2, it was a bit shaky. But as I got to Part 3 and 4, I just learned. It's just a learning process. And I had a couple elders that was just showing me like certain levels. I'd go to certain man and say, yo, big man, how you run that car? Yo, and my dad will help me. My mum, she will always be like, yo, make sure you do that proper car. My mum's good with the business side of things. She'll be like, yo, make sure you pattern that. Like, don't play games.
And now when it come on to Chacha Friday, now we see like whatever you learn over the years. It definitely rub off on Chacha Friday because
you know what it is? Tara just come to me one day. No, Tara used to come to me years ago and say, bro, we need to do like, because me and Tara went to school.
Oh, okay.
We went to school together, and then it's like after school, like we just linked up again doing music, and then even me and Tara worked together at one point. You get me? So it was just, we was always together, and one of my sons is Tara's nephew. So it's like, it's a proper,
it's
like,
a destined,
yeah.
definitely destined,
so Tara was like to me one day, bro, Sparks, we need to hold a party, you know, car.
So when was the first time Chacha Fridays came on the scene? Talk to us about the planning of Chacha Fridays up to the execution phase.
All right, so
in a synopsis, that is.
Nah, so me and Tara was like, yeah, we need to keep a party, bro, together. What are we gonna call it? So we was looking for bad names, like bag of names, fam. Like we went through, I don't even know the name. I can't even remember. Yeah, all them style there, fam. And I swear it was bad names. And then man just said Chacha Fridays, like. And Tara said, huh? And I said, yeah, Chacha Fridays.
That's the one.
That's the one. And then
cool.
There was a place in Tottenham. That place was Millsmead.
Okay.
We kept the first Chacha there, and the first Chacha, it was about 20 people come there. It was bare dancers, just the usual.
Yeah.
Blood, but me and Tara just, I don't know, the vibe that me and Tara was on that night, it was just like, yo, go hard or go home. Like, man was just, and then we just went hard that night. Hard. Like, if you remember the videos, we were just going hard. Yo, me and Tara was just juggling. We didn't even, Tara was like, bro, don't worry, bro. Like, we're gonna juggle
exactly
this. Like, we're gonna juggle up in this, bro. So I was like, yeah, good. Second week come, it doubled up. After the second week, it doubled up. It tripled up, should I say? Then
because people started hearing about it.
Yeah, so,
word of mouth is a very good type of advertisement, and I mean, once you're doing something good, I mean, it's a safe space.
Yeah, that's what we believe in, because we just want the community to get together, like people just get together, no bad vibes, everyone just party. Ooh, we just love that, man. It's not no bad energy.
Yeah.
Like, we don't want no
positivity.
bad energy there. Like, if you got bad energy, stay at home.
Right.
You get me? Like, man don't want none of that. None.
So we see that Chacha Fridays has been on a short break.
Yeah.
Any specific reason that you can share with us? Because people have been asking what's happening, especially me, myself, me, one, no one.
You know it is. Tara went on tour in Nigeria.
Cool. Okay, cool.
And then me and Tara's going to Amsterdam on Thursday for the weekend. So we just thought, let's have a little break to just sort out that, and then sort out the kids then before we fly out. And all of them stuff,
and then come back home and start business again. So, ladies and gentlemen, Chacha Fridays will be back.
Hold on, let me just ask a question. There's anything new, any surprise to the? You know, we take a break, so people expecting like something. It's a surprise. Cause we used to that something in Chacha. So
if I say something, I might get in problems with Tara. So I'm not gonna.
We can look out for a little surprise, right?
Yeah. There's gonna be.
Yes.
You know what? It's not even a little surprise. A big surprise.
All right. Is there a date we can look out for? Can you say a date yet, or we're still working on that?
Not this Friday, but next Friday. I'm not sure.
Next Friday is the 13th.
The 13th.
Friday the 13th. We don't really like how that sounds.
No, it's fine, man. Yo, not the bad luck, you know.
We just have to burn out them bad energy.
We don't have any superstitious people here. So, Chacha Fridays, Friday the 13th, Sparks has cleared the air. We can look out for the big bad Chacha Fridays on the 13th of March. The location will be sent to us on the evening of the event.
Yeah.
And we can all attest to the fact that locations are always good. The security is always good.
Yeah.
We just ask for the patrons to be safe.
You know where it is? People been asking me as well, why do we keep getting different areas?
Yes, that's a question that people have been asking.
We just want to bring everyone together. Okay. So if we go that ends, we just want to go that ends, and the man them are good in this ends, and they see the vibe that we're bringing to their area. We're not bringing a bad vibe, we're bringing a good vibe.
Unity.
And when we go to that area, we want a good vibe from that area. We just any area we go, we just want, even if the man them are in there,
right?
Because you know how it goes.
Yeah.
Man them know, yeah.
I get what you're saying by party moving from era to era in England, because sometimes we know you like some big party. If you're living in Jamaica or America, you like to move to your state or your parish to you to enjoy the fullness. Like I'm talking about like the rum bar, chug it when they used to keep, and the bubbles and the whatever. So the party bounce around in London. Sometimes it's in north, sometimes it's in east. Sometimes we never know. South people, maybe it's your time soon.
Yeah, 100%.
You never know. So it's all about good behavior and do things right, because we have to protect what is ours, and that's dancehall music.
Yeah.
So 100%. we are here trying to do good with dancehall, and Terror and Sparks are trying to do a very good thing in Chacha Friday, because like this is one of the parts of them when me like the party.
Yeah.
Like we totally
like the work party.
Yeah.
Totally look forward to it on a weekend.
Me left a city, left work, and me I say alright, I go up and drive go over there. I want to go just pay it quick.
Yeah. After each Chacha, bro.
Alright then, cool. So is there anything else outside of Chacha Fridays that people can look out for you? Are you still doing DJ gigs outside of Chacha? Are you producing
100%.
music? Are you working on anything?
You know what? I'm working on producing some beats, you know.
Okay.
So all the artists them
Dragon All Star and Fire Q can link up for the beat them and drop them, spit them tune.
Everybody Has a Dream Part 7 coming up June the 6th. Look out for that. That one's going to be a big one. Big stadium style. Also look out for King Terror's party, because you know wherever I support Terror.
No problem. When is that?
I'm not sure when it is, but every girl dream, red and black. That one's gonna be absolutely crazy.
That's a big party. So people should look out for that one. And remember, Sparks Party and Terror Party. If you don't get the exact date right now, remember Upnlive team will go give you the scoop and let you know when the date is. So you could just follow their page or follow our page to get the detail for all this party. And remember, Chacha Friday is coming back very shortly.
Yeah.
Maybe not this Friday, but maybe the next Friday after that. If is any change to that, we'll be the first to let you know. Or King Terror and Sparks. You know what I mean?
So, which leads us to your social media details. Share with us your social media details so people can actually follow you and also get the details from you as well.
Okay, you can follow me on Instagram, 150592 with Sparks before that, SPARKS. 150592. That's Sparks, SPARKS 150592.
And for anybody who doesn't follow our page, you should be following our page. You notice that we tag Chacha Fridays every time we post our videos. So Chacha Fridays, CHACHAFRIDAYS.
Yeah.
Right.
That's it.
So, and then King Terror, King Terror is always tagged on our post. Anything else you want to share with us before you go?
I just want to big up my dad, big up my mumsy, big up my bro them, big up the ladies them.
You know what? Big up Drop Top because he's a true believer of Sparks. You know?
100%. And you know, we represent for the ladies, like. Big man thing, like when we say we don't like when we say we represent for the ladies, it's not just a talking thing. Like you see, Drop Top Ray PGT, Lady ST, Lady Riri. It's not just like a music thing. It's like their man's
support,
family, their man's sisters. It's like
I know the thing.
They got man differently when man's not doing music. You get me? So it's just like. And have to show them that love differently. You
have to support people who support you. And you said a very important thing earlier today. You said that you get advice from your mom, get advice from your dad, and other persons within the industry who have been planning events and blah, blah, blah. That is something that other people might not have and other people might 100%. Have. Even, having a good support system around you when you're doing promotions as you're rightly doing, or music in general, it's a very good thing because it keeps you sane and steady and grounded 100%. And it reminds you of where you're coming from. So big up to your support system and big up to everybody else who has support systems around them, because at times they don't get the shout out that they actually deserve. So shout out to the support systems out there for everybody within the entertainment industry.
There's a lot that goes on
there's behind the scenes that you don't see and you don't understand.
And there's so much people to big up. That's why I don't even want to call names. But if I call a name and I miss out a name, it's alright.
I just say behind the scene, like a lot of people who don't know this side of you.
Yeah.
Like a lot of people, you know what them see in the dance, you always yourself, if you have a kidneys on the arm, a lot of people say, what a serious, you know, I was one of them at one point.
Okay.
You know, until, you know, obviously I get to know you. A bit like me get to see you more and more in our dance and thing, and me I say, yo,
100%.
I'm good man, I'm cool, you know. Them tell me, nah man, I Sparks, you know, cause obviously when me just come here, me see you. And remember, you can't judge a book by cover. You see over there, you just do your thing, you come here, you just so be the split for you. Cause I saw you still there, one gives a Magdalene, the army, you do your thing. And you know, so people. 100%. I'm glad you guys see a difference.
Yeah, 100%.
Spark, you know, the smiley, happy side of Spark.
Relax, not working phase.
Fully.
I don't know, maybe you don't see it every day in the party.
And you know, more time it is sometimes if you see me like that, it's probably I'm just thinking about my kids or I'm thinking about something that I need to do. Yeah, because like certain people don't even know them kind of things that I got 4 kids, and when you got 4 kids, it's a lot to do. Like I try to do like lots of stuff.
Yeah. We understand the levels.
You have to big up man like this. You see, man has a big up him kids, them have to big up the real father them both. You know what thing go. Big up on yourself, because when you're a black guy, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
People tend you to be the worst.
Yeah.
And I always judge you and say, yo, you're one of them man that walk out by your kids them. Big up a real father, you know?
Yes.
When I stand by the kids and do the right thing.
Do the right thing.
Yeah.
Do the right thing.
So if you see me, it's not just I'm just probably got something
mind
on my
is
mind
elsewhere.
because I'm human.
Yeah.
But like
mad.
everybody will talk the right cross the board, like ST whatever. It's mad respect for you. So
blessings, man.
You cannot be a bad guy, and like anybody who don't know you, I bet talk to somebody who probably know you directly.
100%.
If they don't know you directly, indirectly, speak to somebody, you know, get a reference from somebody, because never judge a book by cover. People, that Sparks and the Upnlive show.
Bless that,
don't know.
Yep,
all
thank
the
you for
best.
passing through. So, I mean, follow his social media page and follow the journey. Stay tuned for more details from Chacha Fridays and your party with yourself.
Everybody has a dream.
Everybody has a dream. Part 7, which is going to be shell, because it's going to be in a very big location.
Yeah, very.
Which we kind of have an idea.
No, you know, I know the Upnlive team gonna be there.
Yeah, we'll be there in true colors. Upnlive and Dream Team definitely will be there.
We're gonna do it.
We're gonna do it.
You know, if we not come early enough, we bad up somebody and say come a full time. We just shell the bar.
Yeah.
And just enjoy.
After that juggling, when we just hear dog. Cheese.
You know
the thing go.
Yeah, up move, bro.
And I hope everybody support each other to the fullest.
Yeah, that's it.
Selectors and DJ, some of the time you don't have to play, but you can support a fellow DJ because
rent a tile and go on easy.
It's all about the movement.
100%.
If one person make it, you can make it as well.
Yeah. That's
so
it.
that was Sparks on the Upnlive show.
People them.
Go ahead.
Just stand firm together. Don't give up on each other, man. Stop the guns, the knives. You know how it goes already. Just keep it peacefully between us lot, man. Because you know how it goes. Just keep strong. Because we're one team. Mad
moves.
Yeah, no.
Mad move.
Right.
Yeah. So Dragon All Star is going to drop some music.
You know, right now it's all about the braff in a while, you know. No, I'm not even braff now.
You have 3 more minutes left, and then you have.
I have 3 more. You
have 3 more minutes to the braffing segment. It's 37 minutes.
You want to say something?
No. Yes, I'm going to say something
right,
while Uncle Ivan fixes the camera. So we had Sparks in the hot seat not too long ago, and you know how we do it here on TGM Radio between 9 and 11. You can visit
at the us
like this. Him just want go on the talkaphone and just braff, you know. That's all I'm worried about. Right?
Lecture.
Please remember to go over to our YouTube channel and to subscribe to our channel, watch our videos, share them, support the Upnlive movement. We are, trust me, you will be interested based on the videos that you've watched. And Dragon All Star just like give me one look.
I want to keep on your shirt.
Pull up. Yeah.